If the lost paradise is a lingering nostalgia for all mankind, the paradise regained is a big solace and heartwarming experience for the humanity. There is a man who has refused to quit the bliss of paradise and works on creating one of his soul's contentment wherever he goes. His tools are simple, his intentions are straightforward, and he draws immense pleasure in doing something beautiful for the whole world. And he is none other than Reverend Father Francis Muringathuparambil CMI. Having shouldered many responsibilities down through his 23 years of priestly ministry and currently heading one of the blooming senior secondary schools, Father Francis is a multitasking man. He busies himself always and everywhere. His day begins very early and ends very late. In between, he absorbs himself in the gardens he so lovingly tends to. You will find him among the flowers early in the morning and find him late in the night, musically conversing with the flowers. Seasons come and go, bringing with them the enchanting array of flowers of all hues and fragrance, filling the nature with exuberance, ultimate joy, and captivating beauty. Father Francis's garden has a unique touch and unmatched beauty if compared to any garden. Father Francis distinguishes himself as the flower man of our province. Behind every beautiful garden, there is an ardent and insightful gardener who day and night nurtures each plant and brings it to full bloom to the excitement and enjoyment of every onlooker. He himself does all the tasks related to gardening, and that is his stamp. As a thoughtful gardener, he has developed a personal philosophy of a harmonious pro-existence when it comes to his passion for gardening. He carefully collects and preserves all kinds of seeds and saplings from all over for the next season. Early morning, he rushes to the garden in his work dress and gets immersed in attending to his plants, waiting for his arrival, watering, manuring, setting up plants and creepers on the trellis, weeding out, pruning, digging and planting, all the while singing a popular film song. His heart bleeds when he sees a plant broken or withered. He surrenders all his efforts at the feet of the divine gardener in the forms of beautiful flower settings. He believes that the young and old have a right to be in the bosom of the nature, enjoying its beauty, which God has so profusely and lavishly splashed all over. Father Francis advises all educators and all responsible to bring up children that there must be a garden in everyone's heart, home, and workplace. And so our schools, formation houses, and all private and public institutions must have a beautiful ambience, salubrious surroundings, and a promising garden where it is everyone's business to get involved. As he has himself offered his life to the Lord, he offers the best of his flowers at the feet of the Lord in the beautiful flower arrangements.